Fine hair can be more fragile and prone to breaking and losing its shine. To keep my locks healthy, I have had to do a lot of research on products. Recently, I found a product that has great potential for fine hair. This product is light enough not to weigh down my hair, but still effective in repairing it. I have seen an improvement in the health of my hair within just a few weeks of using this product. My brush now has a far fewer hairs than usual. I have no idea why I bought this, but I am glad I did. I was always cynical towards high-priced shampoos. I would spend a bit more on special treatments, but I always figured that shampoo is just get your hair clean, so why splurge? Normal me would never spend $30 on a tiny bottle of shampoo. Life crisis me, and I did. Every time I smoothed it around my head, lathering it around very thoroughly, I would have used even half the portion I tried. It's the most incredible thick, creamy, searching, cleansing shampoo I have ever seen. My straight hair requires a lot of product to give it volume and texture, which is why I disagree with people who say my hair is lucky. My hair gets oily very quickly, so I avoid any moisturizers or repairs in order to prevent an itchy scalp. Because of this, my hair doesn't always get the nutrients it needs. This patented technology is the headliner in most of the Olaplex lineup, and the ingredients restores hair from the inside out, smoothing out the frayed cuticles that gives hair that brittle, damaged look. There's nothing particularly remarkable about the shampoo right out of the bottle. Once you work it into your hair, it creates a nice, buildable lather that is really satisfying. I like that Olaplex grapefruit scent is light and does not overpower the room. I also appreciate that it has a citrusy smell without being too strong. I don't care for products with overly sweet scents or those that are too intense. I love how healthy and fresh my hair feels after using the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's a relief to find a nourishing product that actually works on all hair types. I often feel like us thinned hair folk are left behind. My hair went from feeling brittle and frayed to smooth, shiny and healthy without having to sacrifice any volume. Olaplex is a system, however, which means there are other products meant to complement the shampoo. I only tried the shampoo and conditioner and was very impressed with the two of their own. To be totally honest, up until I tried Olaplex, I was strictly a drugstore shampoo and conditioner person. Not that they worked all the well for me, but I just had a hard time wrapping my head around expensive hair products. Maybe I just knew that once I tried them, I would never be able to go back. Olaplex is a cruelty-free haircare brand. I believe they started within salons before being offered at retailers. Their formulas are based around the ingredients bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate, which is said to completely transform hair. The shampoo has completely changed the feel and looks of my hair. It is now very soft, not as frizzy, and the tangles are almost non-existent. I have never bought the shampoo or conditioner because it's so expensive for a small bottle. I ran out of shampoo and decided to give it a go after reading a review that said they don't need much to use, and they're absolutely right. I love how well this tones out brassiness. It's noticeable after the first wash. It's important to make sure none is left in your shower after using it because the deep purple is hard to get after it dries. The only thing I don't like is how small the bottle is. My hair's so long, I go through it pretty fast. All in all, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So that's all. If you have any question about this product or want to know more about other products, write on the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.